Hello. Today we will be discussing tax credit funds received by Arizona school districts and how those monies can be spent. As you may know, individual taxpayers can donate money to Arizona school districts in support of extracurricular activities, character education programs, or certain fees and expenses related to standardized testing, and then receive a tax credit for the donation in accordance with Arizona revised statutes. Public and charter schools providing instruction to grades kindergarten through 12 are eligible for the credit. Non-governmental schools, preschools, community colleges, and universities do not qualify. Districts are restricted in how they can spend that money, as they should be spent on the activities for which they are collected. Generally, these monies are required to be accounted for in Fund 526, the Extracurricular Activities Fees Tax Credit Fund, as specified in the Uniform System of Financial Records, although districts may choose to use the Auxiliary Operations Fund instead. Extracurricular activities means school-sponsored activities that may require enrolled students to pay a fee in order to participate, including fees for band uniforms, athletic equipment, scientific laboratory equipment, and in-state or out-of-state trips for competitive events. Note that this does not include senior trips or events that are recreational, such as a trip to a theme park. Additionally, fees charged to the students must not exceed the actual costs of the activity. Each school board should determine which activities are considered extracurricular and what fees, if any, are levied. The taxpayer does not have to specify which activity or program the contribution is intended for, nor do they have to have a child in school in order to make a contribution. Arizona revised statutes require extracurricular activities fees tax credit monies to be used only for activities that meet the following 5 criteria. 1. Optional. Students must have the ability to opt in or out of the activity. 2. Non-credit. The activity cannot count towards the student's grade. 3. For enrolled students. No participant can be a non-student of the school. 4. Educational. There must be an educational component to the activity. Additionally, it cannot be a reward for completing an educational program. For example, tax credit monies cannot be spent to send students on a trip to a water park as a reward for completing an educational program or course. The activity itself must have an educational purpose. 5. School-sponsored. The activity must be formally sanctioned by the school. In addition to extracurricular activities, tax credit funds can be used for character education programs, standardized testing fees for college credit or readiness, such as fees for the SAT, ACT, or advanced placement tests, preparation courses and materials for standardized testing, and the Career and Technical Education Industry Certification Assessment. Character education programs are defined as instruction related to the application of at least 6 of the following character traits: truthfulness, responsibility, compassion, diligence, sincerity, trustworthiness, respect, attentiveness, obedience, orderliness, forgiveness, virtue, fairness, caring, citizenship, and integrity. The programs should also include the use of activities, discussion, and presentations to illustrate and demonstrate the above traits. We recommend that, when spending tax credit monies, districts retain detailed supporting documentation in order to demonstrate compliance. Thank you for watching this brief overview on tax credit eligible expenditures. If you would like more information on this topic, please contact us at Heinfeld Meach.